What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video from SADDLEHEAD Media. Today we're going to be reacting to Chainsaw Man, episode number 3. And I think this is going to be another good episode, like always. Any words, Daniel?
I'm just excited to see this episode. Last episode was pretty good. We got introduced to a new character. I don't remember her name.
Power,
that's her name. Power.
I did notice something I forgot to mention last time.
What?
So, you know how she's a fiend?
Mm.
And you look in her eyes are like yellow and purplish and stuff.
Mm.
So it looks different. And the pink-haired woman, her eyes is like weird too.
They both
So
have
maybe
pink.
they're like fiends. Hopefully we get to uncover that. But so far so good. It's pretty fun. We'll see how it goes.
Yep.
Alright.
Let's go.
デビルハンターには向いてなかったのかな。
See your eyes? Like what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
And then he's a demon, but his eyes are long.
Both said something.
Oh!
Probably too loud.
Liar, liar. Cotton fire. Oh, he's a devil, so.
静かにできる？
Can you quiet down?
She's so calm.
I know, right?
私に活躍見せられそう。
Why you look like you're about to cry? What?
Is that the same cat? No.
She's gonna eat the cat.
I hate that sound.
ニャーコを悪魔から取り戻してくれたら、胸を揉ませてやると言ったらどうする？
He can't be down that bad.
悪魔がよ、猫よ。
He just said it was dumb. He just said it was dumb as
デ
heck.
ビルハンターとして許せねえ。そんな悪魔、俺がぶっ殺してやるぜ。
君にあげた舞台の犬は育っとるか
期待に応えられそうなのが1匹。面白いのが1匹。
ね。面白い。君の仕事は犬を育て使うことだ。くれぐれも情は入れてくれるのよ。
I don't know. I think they're gonna put together a team to fight against them.
The corporation?
Yeah.
Maybe.
どうしてそんなに期待をするんですか。じゃあさっさと行くか。
When I see him with the axe, it reminds me of the axe gang from Kung Fu Hustle.
Oh, that's funny. I remember that.
と見せたら猫を人質にされんだろ。こんな近くまでついてきちゃダメでしょ。
おお、そういう設定じゃったが。
設定？
言い間違いじゃ。
Bro, you're such a liar.
Kick. Hurt. Buddy.
Damn.
バカじゃが勘が良かったな。
だが、地の悪魔よ。逃げたのか。
Please be a giant cat.
文句を言うな。わしもやっと外に出られたんじゃ。望み通り人間を連れてきたぞ。コウモリ。
It's a giant cat.
All up, she said bat.
Oh, it's a bat.
久しぶりの食事。
バー
食事が吠えるんだ。人間に刻まれた技術、人間の血で癒させてもらう。
Tastes disgusting.
まずい。口の中が気持ち悪い。他の人間で口直しをしなければ。
Okay. Let's go.
よくわしの話を信用できたもんじゃな。
So she's not a fool.
やはり人間は愚かじゃ。コウモリの悪魔。
Bat devil.
約束通り人間を連れてきたんじゃ。ニャーコを返してもらう。
Huh?
Clearly already ate him.
そういう話だったか。
Oh, don't tell me.
ああ
He's bad to the bone.
Good.
ニャーコ。うぬの名はニャーコじゃ。
What?
猫にしてはうまそうな匂いじゃな。もう少し太らせてから食ってやるか。
Oh, I thought they were going to eat the cow.
Same. I was about to say she really is bad.
I mean, cat is drinking the milk.
早く大きく
She's
なれ。
gonna eat the cow.
ニャーコを殺すのが楽しみじゃな。
She's so bad.
Bro, you just sell out my man Denji for no reason.
ポチタをもう撫でれんと言っとったな。うぬの気持ちが分かった。
What?
Yo!
ひどい気分じゃな。
Oh, you almost killed him. And you're trying to be nice.
俺の胸返せ。
私の血を飲んでる。気持ち悪い。
Oh, that I'm just saying. What? It's too.
Ooh.
Oh, that is beautiful. Now that is so beautiful.
Oh, this looks so good.
Yeah.
体にそぐわぬ怪力。その力でなぜ人間を助ける？
Nice.
誰が助けたって野郎の命なんざ死ぬか
He got him jumped on the car.
I thought he was losing control just now. Oh,
Meowy. What's that?
oh,
That's cool. A little ear wiggle.
なぜ生きてる？
Go straight for the eye. Oh, what's the blue stuff?
Intestines.
That is so cool. It's raining blood.
What?
What?
bro, they'll be ending so abruptly. I don't like it. I don't think she's dead or anything, but bro, they be just. This is why I read manga.
I think she's gonna be able to go back from the blood. If she's not fully intact, I think she can probably heal from the blood.
I mean, I don't think that she's gonna be digested that fast.
Oh, could be.
Well, it's demon blood, demon digestive system. So I don't know.
Well, that was episode 3. That was a
Yeah.
pretty good episode.
Well, I still don't know how to feel about it.
Yeah, I can't really tell the direction of the show yet, so I can't really say, hey, the story is real good, because I don't know what this is about.
I mean,
Yeah.
like,
I mean, the story, I don't really know what the story is, but the visuals and the animation looks good.
Yeah.
That's
Like-
really all I can say right now.
all I can say about this episode, it was just straight twists. Like, her name was Power with the horns, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like she almost killed Denji,
Yeah.
which was crazy. And then she almost died.
Yeah.
Well, we don't know that for sure.
I'm sure she'll be fine. She's a
Yeah.
main character, so.
Yeah,
Main character.
she's one of the main characters,
Oh.
because she's in the opening.
Yeah.
I,
But what I think is
I
going to
wanna-
happen is she's going to be alive, and then he's going to cover for her, and then they're going to be best of buds.
Yeah.
I wanna see what happens with Sasuke, cause like we didn't see him at all except for when Denji remembered what he told him.
Yeah, I don't even know how strong he is, but he should be pretty strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, like what? I mean, back in the alleyway in episode 2, he looked pretty weak.
I think he
Getting
was
kicked
just
in the
taking it
nuts.
easy on him, but
Yeah.
hopefully we'll see. I don't know, still don't know what his power is, because we'll see what the Batgirl power is. She has the the blood control. We don't know what
Sight.
suit guy power is yet.
And plus, like Sasuke also has like a katana. Maybe that katana's like special and like, yeah.
I don't know. We'll see.
Same.
I mean, 3 episodes down,
Pretty
and
good
we
so
got
far.
what, 9 left. They got a lot of storytelling to do.
Yeah. So
The next episode better be like 50 minutes long.
that was good though.
Yeah.
It was just,
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
it was. I liked episode 1 the best,
Oh yeah, that was pretty good.
but this episode was pretty good too.
My favorite was probably episode 2 because we got to see a lot of new characters. This one was just like picking up and twist. And
Yeah,
stuff.
I rank this maybe a 5.
5 out of 10.
Yeah.
The whole show.
No, this episode.
Oh yeah,
I think it was like it wasn't a 10, but it was like a good solid 7.
Pretty high.
Yeah, that's really high.
7, 6.
It just felt too basic for me.
Yeah.
I didn't see anything new.
Yeah.
All of the animation style.
I
It
wanted
was pretty good.
to see some new characters, like
You
someone
can't-
really cool.
You can't put new characters every episode, but they should go back more into the character's backstory. We already know Denji's backstory.
We don't want backstory. We want what the story is going to be going forward.
Backstories and story going forward.
I actually do want to see Powers backstory because she's very
You just saw her backstory.
oh yeah,
She grew up living alone.
I
Found
forgot.
a cat.
I
Cat
forgot.
got kidnapped.
Okay,
She
okay, I
betrayed
forgot.
humans.
Yeah.
What about
Okay,
Yeah, that's
it.
That's it for this episode.
That's it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys want to. And that's it for Saturday
not
Media.
if they want to, they have to.
They don't have to do anything.
I know. I'm just playing.
Stay tuned for next time. Saturday Media out.
Satellite Media out.